Ladies, gents, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever you are. Piotr here, Light Forex Global YouTube channel. We are awaiting weekly jobless claims out of the US. That's probably the most awaited data today when it comes to the calendar, right? Previously we got like 3.3. Market expectations are a little bit higher today, 3.6. Well, let me tell you, if we are supposed to get the real number, if they want to see us the real number, it might be double what we are talking about. But again, same as week earlier, I don't think so. We are going to get the real number. We have to treat the number we are going to get as a real one. That's a completely different story. Why I'm talking that way? Well, it's enough. I know it was 1st of April yesterday, but taking into the consideration what we got from China, what we got from as a ADP or ISM in US, that looks like April 1st of April joke, right? Anyway, dollar is stronger and we are going to focus on the FX market. In the meantime, we have a little bit of the bounce when it comes to the indices. We have some oil rally based on the rumors from China, and we have gold retesting 1,600. But we are going to focus on FX today, especially euro, dollar, and pound. Bit less dollar yen, and if we have a few seconds, I'm going to talk about euro pound as it's approaching very significant level, and in my opinion pound is going to be weaker, but that's my thinking. Not sure if I'm going to be correct here. Anyway, so let's have a look what we have when it comes to the chart, guys. Alright, don't forget that you can monitor what I'm doing in real time. You can check, link is in the description. I've been trading short euro dollar from yesterday. We discussed that a bit. We've seen a little bit bigger move towards the end of the day. It was this type of the move. I closed half. I also holding a little bit more from the higher levels, and we are approaching, that's what I told you yesterday, we are approaching levels close to 108.50.30 from the intraday perspective, but I think 108 from the daily chart is what we are looking for, and then lower levels, right? So of course depends what we are going to get as a jobless number. That's the thing number one. And the second thing, the market reaction, right? If you remember, week ago, we got this ugly 3 million plus, and we saw the indices rallied on that, and then dollar also recovered. So I'm looking still for a stronger dollar, but you know, I'm already have something. I have exposure here on euro dollar. So based on what we have when it comes to the euro pound, we are testing very, very significant zone, possible demand zone based on the rally, base, rally. So we have retest of that zone, right? So taking into the consideration where we are on the euro pound, taking into the consideration that we are going lower on the euro dollar, so maybe it's time for pound. I know that many of you will look for seasonality and want to trade pound higher, but as of now, I'm looking from the intraday perspective. I'm looking for a break below this particular breakout candle, and that once we are going to break below and close below, move, retest, that would be my short entry when it comes to the pound, right? So that's what I'm going to watch. Euro dollar and cable. All right, let's have a look what kind of the number we have. Dollar yen is going back towards 107, euro trying to rebound, cable trying to rebound. 6.6, that's what I told you guys. That's what I told you, that if we are going to get the real one, and to be honest with you, I'm not sure if it's a real one. In that case, it might be the real one might be higher. 6,648,000. Ugly number. But anyway, I still do expect stronger dollar, right? Not sure about the indices today after those latest moves yesterday, day before. Don't forget that we were to the point here, and I missed a bit yesterday, right? We were talking about 7,770 and we hit just 7,700, right? Missed by 1%. Here, based on what we have, any kind of the manipulation might bring us a little bit higher towards these levels or these levels. So overall, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna be surprised if this consolidation is going to be retested. Not at all. Really, I'm not going to be surprised. So let's have a look what we have on the FX. So on the euro pound, right? Would be good to see, you know, this straight move down with lower shadow. So let me visualize what I'm gonna to look for, at least for now. It might change, guys. It might, you know, it might be a little bit different. Of course, I will try to make an update, but something like this, that would be the initial entry, and then if we would be able to get back above 87.80, that could be second entry. We will see. We'll see what's going to happen here. Don't forget, guys, we have non-farm payrolls tomorrow, but I think this jobless claim today was much more important. Was much more important, guys. So that's the one, and of course the cable, if we are going to get the early close below, that's what I've shown you already. There might be some Canadian dollar bounce based on this latest rumor that the China may take the opportunity and buy the oil because of these lower prices right now. Well, the thing is, we saw the speculative move 10% higher. The thing is that, well, I don't know if that's the end of the downside when it comes to the oil. I wouldn't say so. I'm looking to sell crude. I wanna see what's going to happen here inside this consolidation once it's going to be reached, right? I wanna see 24, 23.50, what's going to happen there, all right? So for now, talking FX only, I'm looking to sell the pound, right? Might be that I might decide, for example, to try to trade pound yen as well, right? So overall, I'm looking carefully for the opportunity this afternoon. Not in rush. Beginning of the quarter, first week of the new month. So we will see. I will try to make another update around the US cash open. We'll see where we are and what this new day in New York is about to bring us. So stay tuned, guys. 3 things: stay safe, stay home, and don't be trapped on the market. All right? Have a good one and see you around, guys. Take care.